In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a Microsoft Loop component to Outlook email. Let's get started in Outlook on the web. Open your mailbox and we'll compose a new message. Select new, then choose mail so you're in the standard email composer. Everything I'm about to show also works when you're creating a calendar event, so you can use the same approach for collaborative agendas or planning notes. With your message open, look at the ribbon across the top of the compose window and click Loop Components. Loop components let you co-create directly inside the email body so everyone can contribute without switching apps. When the menu opens, pick the format that fits your scenario. Choose a bulleted list to brainstorm ideas, a checklist to track tasks with owners and statuses, or a table to organize information in rows and columns. The component drops right into your email, ready to edit. Start typing to add content, and feel free to structure it a bit so your recipients know what you're asking them to do. As soon as you send the email, recipients can edit the component right inside the message. Changes happen in real time, so you'll see updates as they make them. This keeps everyone aligned and avoids version chaos. Keep in mind, editing access follows your organization's settings, so collaborators may need to be in your tenant or have permission to the underlying file. To bring the right people into the conversation, type the @ sign, followed by a person's name within the loop component. This mentions them, notifies them, and helps assign ownership to specific items. It's a great way to call attention to action items and keep accountability clear. If you already have a loop component in a Teams chat or another email, you can simply copy it and paste it into your new message. It stays linked and synchronized, which means edits in one place appear everywhere the component is shared. This is perfect for recurring status updates or cross-team planning where the same content needs to live in multiple threads. Finally, if your organization allows it, you can protect sensitive data inside a component by selecting the shield icon. This applies information protection based on your company's policies, helping you collaborate while keeping confidential details secured. That's it. Open Outlook, start a new email, insert a loop component, choose the structure that fits, collaborate in real time, @ mention to engage the right people, reuse components across Outlook and Teams, and, when available, protect the content. Send it off and watch your team move faster together.